SlowCasting English, Episode 10, Talking about Weather.
How's the weather today?
It's cloudy but comfortable.
Do you like cloudy days?
Yes, they feel calm.
What do you do on cloudy days?
I stay home and read.
That sounds cozy.
It is. I make some tea.
Tea and books are a good match.
Yes, they slow life down.
Slow life feels good.
It really does.
Introduction to this podcast. Enjoying cozy cloudy days. Two people discuss the calm and cozy atmosphere of cloudy days. One enjoys staying home with tea and a good book, appreciating the slower pace and peaceful feeling these days bring.